Now that our sports schedule poster is complete, let's export it. Go up to your top menus, go to File, come down to Export. Make sure that you choose your sports schedule poster folder that we created. And we're going to make sure that we choose our format to be a print PDF, not interactive, so print PDF. Make sure our file is named correctly and click on Save. We're going to change a couple things in here, so make sure that you choose high quality print as your preset. Click on your marks and bleeds on the left hand side. We want to select this top one that says all printer marks, so check that and it will click every checkbox for all those items below. We also want to check the use document bleed settings and then hit on export. Open up the folder to where you have been working on all your files and you should see your PDF. If you open that up, you'll see that we have a printer version to send to a print house. So you'll see our marks and our bleeds. So this will be the actual area where the cut is made. So that little area in between there, that's our bleed line. You can see a little bit of information down below of what our file name is and some color information that's important for the printer as they take this to mass produce it and then cut it properly. And that's how you create a sports schedule poster using InDesign.
Thanks for watching. This completes our project, and we'll see you next time.